That is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. Actually, no, but still.
Get another one ready? I'm not going to step for more on. Yeah, I'll put them in. Put it on the other side.
Okay, now we have the double loader. And
double loader?
the theory is there'll be more explosion, and we'll see what happens.
Go get tape.
Yeah, I think we're getting a little wet here.
Okay.
See, that's my shirt. Oh, you can't see it. It's on the back. Here, see, this is Rachel. She's getting a little uptight with me right now. And she just ate a Mento off the ground, and so did Ashley, and I think that is the grossest. You know, if that hit your camera, that would be your fault, that you break it. Please, that really hurts.
Don't throw them anymore.
That is so disgusting.
Don't throw them anymore.
Can you imagine? Eating a Mento, that is disgusting. You might as well just lick the ground.
Okay. I'd do that if I had to. Yeah. Well, why would you have to?
Okay, here we go. That is the double loader right there. We're going to be loading that whole thing up with Mentos. Stick the toothpick in. Yeah, sorry, I wasn't actually filming it. Now we're loading Mentos. Can I put one in?
No.
I want to put one in. Hey, I'm home.
We still got another bottle, right?
Yeah.
So we'll do another one.
I hope it is. Can I see?
Those are the prize Mentos.
I'm pulling it.
Those make me wicked hyper.
Wait, can I eat that one?
Just so everyone here knows. Okay, now we should be backing up. Ew, my pajamas are so wet and gross. No, I have to change.
Okay, guys, ready?
Okay.
Oh, God!
Here we go. Oh, hello.
Ready?
Yeah, I just knocked that over.
Go.